One of the things I love about these treatments is that there's no side effects, purely natural. The ingredients are safe. You will never regret the result. Like, the result is shocking. Use these treatments to enable skincare products to penetrate well and work well. Use this treatment to have a clearer skin. Use this treatment to get that baby glowing skin. The result is shocking. After this treatment, you will never regret it. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those that are new here, thank you so much. Here is my beauty channel. On this channel, I share things like this. As you can see, things that will give you a clearer skin, things that will get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, things that will get rid of blemishes, make your skin uniform. Like any complexion you have, you don't need to bleach for your skin to get better. No, any complexion you have, you can actually have a gray skin. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips like this. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Alright, so this is especially for those that have acne. This is especially for those that have oily face. As you can see, I have an oily face, so I don't have makeup all the time, but today I just decided to apply a lip gloss. This is a lip gloss. Okay, so I'm going to wipe everything now. You can actually look very good with no makeup. So when I'm going out, like I just went out now to drop some things, I just decided to apply my lip gloss. You can actually go out with no makeup and you love your skin. Like, yes, I have skincare products, but with these treatments, you will just build a solid foundation. Natural products are also very nice. Like good facial scrub, good body scrub using natural way. Look at, I don't have makeup anymore, just a little dirt. Okay, so I'll be listing the ingredients I made use of here so that you know how to apply it. I'll also tell you the measurements. Just continue watching. Remember to share this video because when this video go around, it will help lots of people. Thank you so much. So the first ingredients I made use of sugar. So in case you have been following me, you notice that I don't joke with sugar, especially when it comes to taking care of the skin. Like, I make use of only sugar for skincare. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl, very beneficial when it comes to skin. It helps to glow the skin. It helps to nourish your skin. It hydrates your skin to get rid of dryness. In case you have skin dryness, this is very good for you. In case you have wrinkles, it helps to firm the skin. Like, it firms saggy skin thanks to the alpha hydroxyl content in it that helps greatly to get rid of any traces of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. So sugar also helps to moisturize the skin. In case you don't know, it glows the skin very nice. It gets rid of dead skin cells and gives you a clearer, beautiful skin you will love. So the next ingredient I made use of, as you can see from the title, baking soda. Baking soda is not only for baking things, baking your cake, baking your pancake. No, it's not only for consumption. It's also very good for weight loss. We're making use of it for facials, for body treatment, because it helps to absorb out so much oil from the skin, leaving your skin flawless. I have an oily skin and it has been helping me greatly. Yes, then back then I used to have super greasy skin. Like, my skin manufactures oil every seconds, and baking soda helps greatly to balance it. Very nice. Not only that, it also helps greatly to minimize acne. For those that have pimples everywhere on their face, you can actually obtain gray skin. But this is not really good like for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, please apply a little, and you don't have to leave it on longer on your skin because baking soda can be harsh for those that have sensitive skin. Add a little, they leave it on short time. Baking soda is all you need to exfoliate your skin as well, to make your skin fresh, getting rid of dead skin cells, giving you a uniform skin, like everywhere, one color, and you love it. So the next one is honey. Yes, honey is very potent, very healthy for the skin. Like, it helps to make sure your skin is glowing all through. Also helps to keep your skin moisturized, like hydrating your skin, getting rid of dry skin. If you have dry skin, this treatment is your friend, your best friend, because it helps to balance, remove dry skin, it balances your skin to get rid of oily skin. Like your skin will look so beautiful. So this also tones, like it helps to keep your skin wear beautiful. It brightens. It's for all skin types and complexion, whether you're dark skin, light skin, caramel skin, just for you. So get honey and you will love it. Honey also helps to drive away acne from your face. It helps to calm irritated skin. It gets rid of blemishes. The next one is Vaseline. Just continue washing. I will tell you when to make use of this. So I did not add it into that treatment. I will tell you how to apply it for best result. So just continue washing. My first ingredient is sugar. So I added 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. Then I added 1 tablespoon of honey, as you can see. Okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. Baking soda. Remember, if you have sensitive skin, just a little, a pinch. Okay, just to drive away those acne and get rid of blackheads, all those raw face. Because baking soda helps greatly to smoothen the skin. Just a little. But in case you don't have sensitive skin, you just have any skin type, add half tablespoon of baking soda. Yes, so mix together. Just mix and mix. If your treatment is thick, increase the quantity of honey. If your treatment is watery, increase the quantity of sugar, not baking soda. So mix together and remove all makeups and debts. I'm going to do so right now. Of course, I don't have makeup, so I'm going to just apply right now. So I've off my hair, like yes, you need to, I don't want any distraction. I need to apply it without distraction. So just apply this treatment on a clean face. Make sure you wash off all makeup, all dust, so that this treatment will penetrate well and work better. So just apply it all over your face. You can also apply this treatment all over your body. For the body part, you can increase the quantity of baking soda. So when you apply your baking soda on your body, like the skin on your body is thicker than your facial skin, baking soda will not be harsh on that area. But your face, apply a little if you have sensitive skin. So because of the honey in this treatment, the effect of the baking soda will not be much. Yes, it will not be much because honey helps to calm irritated skin. It helps to dilute, like it will help to dilute this treatment and make the baking soda not to be so obvious. You can actually leave it on longer, but to be on a safer side, you just have to apply it just like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You wash it out. That is only for sensitive skin person. So after wash out, you will surely notice a clearer skin. When you touch your skin, you will notice that your face, your body will get smoother. And that is because you just made use of exfoliant, like exfoliating treatment. The baking soda in it, like I said earlier, is very exfoliating. It gets rid of dead skin cells. It smoothens the skin. When you scrub your skin, you notice the smoothness, the freshness. So just follow the instructions, okay? Make use of this treatment twice weekly, or 2 times weekly for results. Store the remain in the refrigerator to use it next time. After 5 days, trash it out and make a fresh one. So go on and try this treatment. You see your skin glowing. You see your skin looking younger. You see those wrinkles minimizing, giving you a clearer, brighter skin. So after this treatment, when you make use of skincare products, it will work well. It will absorb well. You see people complimenting your skin, and that is because you have treated your skin first. So we have skincare products. Look at the WhatsApp number. Contact us for your best skincare products. Even if you make use of these treatments on your skin, you will surely need skincare products. You need a body lotion. You need soap to have your bath. Of course, contact us and we'll give you the best for different skin complexion. If you want the one that will make you look younger, the one that will firm your skin, please contact us. I'll give you the best. We ship worldwide. All right, please, I just said after washing your face, you have to apply a light moisturizer. You have to apply light oils. Vaseline is also good. Apply it after washing it out. It will help greatly to moisturize your skin. It will help to keep your skin glowing. It helps greatly to seal in moisture into the skin. For those that have dry skin, this is mainly for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. Okay, yes. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.